Okay, perfect. Okay, so we are back with the Happy Home box fan, and I'm gonna see if I can fix it, because the blade has hit the again, don't mind the M7 in the background. Don't mind the M7 in the background. I apologize for that. So yeah, the blade has hit the thing again. And I'm gonna see if I can fix it. Because I think I know why the blade is hitting the shroud. There we are. And it also needs a little bit of a cleaning. I think I know why it might, I think I know why it's hitting, as you can see. It is hitting. Again, unfortunately. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. Shit, this might be a little too big. Because all I have is this. I need something that'll actually. Sounds like it comes. Yeah, and that's my. That's the shortest one I have. I don't have enough. I don't have a smaller one. This is not gonna come off. Yeah, okay. Because I can't find any that'll fit that in the garage. So, besides, I thought these would work, but I guess not. This Kenmore is running at the moment. So I put my Dr. Pepper in it just to cool it off a little bit. So I was trying to find a bit in the garage, but I can't. I don't know if I'm gonna have any way of getting this blade off, because I need what looks to be a hex bit. There's a lot of diesels that are passing. Diesel trucks that are passing. Sounds like a second gen. Anyways, I need to clean this too, because I want to get the blade off in order to clean it, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to do that. This one is also all three of them are hitting. All three of them are hitting. I don't know why, because it ran perfectly fine. The video's on YouTube. It ran perfectly fine. And now it's fucking hitting again. I don't. Because I believe the blade is on the shaft a little too far back when it really shouldn't be. I don't have anything to get the fucking blade off. If they would have put a Phillips head screw on it, it would have been a hell of a lot better, but no. They didn't put a Phillips head screw on it. I don't know if I should bring the blade back or forward. That's the problem. Because I think the blade should be out like this. But I'm not sure. The back is coming off. Okay, I had it from the 41, so sorry for the cut in this video. So, I believe the blade is a little further back on the shaft when it really is not. So I don't know how to. So I don't know if I should bend the blade out like this, because it's still hitting, or if I should just bend the blade backwards, but I don't want to do that because then it'll hit the I don't know. Get in there. Thank you. I don't also want to break the blade. No. It's spinning freely. It's not hitting. I don't know if I should put the guard back on and test it. Or was it the back cage? Because, yeah, it should be out like that. But that is very close. See, it's still gonna hit. It's still hitting. I need to bend the blade out like this. It's still hitting. I know what the problem is. Okay. So if I can bend the blade out like this, I don't need to take the blade off now. this one as well. So I think the motor is a little. It's pretty close. Yeah. It's gonna hit again. Or did I just fix it? I think I just fixed it. I think it was the cage. I think my friend was right yesterday because he was talking about the back cage hitting the blade. Now the blades aren't even close to the shroud. They're out where they're supposed to be. I think I just fixed it. I think it just got loose. So I don't need to take the blade off, which is actually a good sign. If that was the problem to begin with, and it's not gonna hit anymore, then perfect. Because right now, what I'm gonna do is the blades look to be where they're supposed to be. Because the blades look to be where they are supposed to be spinning. Like, it's not like, it wasn't all the way in the shroud. Now they're like out where they're supposed to be. So, I'm going to put the guard back on. I'm going to test it. Sorry if I'm in the way of the camera. Didn't mean to be. I'm going to put the guard on. I'm going to test it. And if it runs, which it really should, well, it runs, but if it doesn't hit, then I'm going to get the cleaning this. I'm going to get the cleaning it done. It's a little harder. Oops. It's a little harder to put back on. Aha. You need to put it on a certain way. You need to start with that one first and then, okay. Alright, we're going to test it. I'm going to plug it in, we're going to test it. I hope it's off, I don't know, because the button never really says the off position, so I don't know. If I plug it in, it turns on. Oops, let's not do that. Don't turn on. Oh, come on. I might have to unplug the Kenmore. Here, let me unplug the Kenmore. Alright. I'm gonna hold the button. Not hold the button, but I'm gonna keep my finger on the button and press it in if it does hit again. I hope not. I'm gonna put it on low. I'm gonna put it on low because I'm scared to run it on high. But as of right now, it is running, and I believe I have fixed it. Let me just see if it actually is going to hit again. Because I believe what the problem was with the back, where the back cage goes on right there. I believe it was coming off, and that was, are you fucking kidding me? Yeah. Oh no. Nope, it's not gonna hit. I believe I have fixed it. For good, actually. I don't need to take the blade off. Because it's not looking like it's gonna hit. As of right now, it's not looking like it's gonna hit. Which is a good sign. That's what I want it to look like. I think that's how it's supposed to be. But here goes nothing. Jesus Christ, it's off balance. It runs. With the blade where it should be, and with it running, it runs perfectly like brand fucking new. Okay, so I have fixed it. I have fixed the happy home. Okay. I thought this was going to take all day, but apparently it didn't. And, I don't need this. So, I could just put this in my pocket for now. Hey, I don't mind the backdrop, by the way, because it was my sister's birthday party, but a few days ago, but I just don't mind that. What I do want to get to so compressor even running for the yeah, it is. It's just very quiet. That recip is just very quiet. The Kenmore is running. That refrigerator actually runs pretty good. And so does this. So does the Happy Home. I have to still decode the the information on the motor tag. If I can, oops, I don't really want to do that. So I was going to say if I could just maybe push the blade. No, don't stop like that. Don't stop there. Stop there. Stop. I still have to decode that, so. But if anyone can decode that, please let me know. I am going to take another picture of it, though. But, I do want to get to, trying to clean this, but I don't know how. I want to get the blade off to clean it, but I don't have the proper bit to, take the blade off, so it's kind of, not really gonna happen. Okay, let me see if this is gonna come back off. I don't want it to. That thing's really quiet. It's vibrating the table. I'm stepping on the cord accidentally. Will this reach this outlet? The top is actually pretty bad to get in, so I don't know what's plugged in there, so I'm not gonna mess with it. I have to unplug the Kenmore to turn it on again, but I have fixed the Happy Home. Okay, so maybe if I could find the proper bit for this, I will do another video on cleaning it, but for right now, it is fixed and it does run.